No oven, no microwave? Don't worry. Let's see 2 easy ways to bake at home using a kadai or a regular pressure cooker. And no, you don't even need salt for this. Let's get started.
Start by taking a kadai. The thicker the base, the better it will hold the heat. Place a small stand or a ring inside so that the cake tin does not sit directly on the bottom. Place the stand, cover with the lid and preheat on a medium flame for about 10 minutes.
Preheating is super important as it makes sure that your cake cooks evenly just like in oven. And remember, always use a lid that fits properly so that no heat escapes. And while the kadai preheats, prepare your cake batter.
For making the cake batter, you can either use a cake premix or you can make one from the scratch. Grease your cake tin with some oil and dust some flour or line it with the parchment paper for easy removal. Pour the batter half to 3/4 of the tin depending upon how much space you have between the tin and the lid, as the cake needs room to rise and also it should not touch the lid. Give the tin a gentle tap on the counter to remove the air bubbles. This helps the cake rise evenly without big holes inside.
Avoid opening the lid too often because the hot air escapes and the cake might sink. Bake for 35 to 40 minutes. After 30 minutes, check if your cake is done using a toothpick or the bounce back test. If it is still not ready, give it 5 to 10 minutes more.
Now let's look at the pressure cooker method. Take your cooker, remove the gasket, that is the rubber ring, and the whistle.
This allows steam to escape safely.
Place a stand inside and preheat the cooker for 5 to 10 minutes on medium flame. Just like before, prepare your cake tin with batter and place it on the stand inside the cooker. Cover it with the lid. Cook on low flame for about 35 to 40 minutes. Test with the toothpick to check if it is done.
So here are some tips to remember when you are baking in a cooker or a kadai. Patience is the key here. Slow and steady heat gives even results. First of all, always preheat your vessel before baking. Keep the flame low for even baking. High heat will burn the bottom while keeping the top raw. Let the cake cool completely before cutting, else it might crumble. Both the methods work not just for cakes but for muffins, cupcakes, or even small breads. And yes, if you don't have a parchment paper to line this mold, just grease it with some oil and dust some flour on it, and your cake tin will be ready. So now you have easy ways to bake even without oven or a microwave.
Did you know that you can bake on a tawa too? Let's see. Place a heavy tawa on medium flame. Place a stand or a ring on it and cover it with a large utensil. This keeps your cake tin lifted. Let it heat for 5 minutes. Remove the utensil. Place your prepared cake tin on the stand and cover again with the large utensil. Cook on the lowest flame for 30 to 35 minutes. Check and remove from the stand when done.
Just give it a try and see how simple it is.
Here is an easy eggless cake recipe that you can try in a kadai or a cooker or tawa. Whisk melted butter, condensed milk and sugar or khand. Now sift in whole wheat flour and baking powder. Add milk gradually to this to get a smooth batter. Mix it well without over mixing. To this, add a few drops of vanilla essence. Divide this batter into two. Keep one plain and add cocoa powder and coffee plus water to another part. In a greased tin, layer vanilla and chocolate batters. Swirl gently with a toothpick. Now bake it in a kadai or a cooker or even on tawa. A beautiful eggless marble cake baked without an oven. Happy baking!